Oh, there it is. Describe what ex post facto is. There it is. There we go. Just that today. Nothing crazy. Just got done with a quiz, so. Just work on the bell ringer. Thought you were gonna guess that song right. Did you know it was Van Halen? I guess not.
It sounded like it. I just didn't want to be wrong. I mean, I didn't.
Miss 100% in shots you don't take, right? Michael Scott.
I didn't think you would do Van Halen since you did yesterday.
I know.
I wasn't expecting.
A boomerang, right? Threw it, came back to Van Halen again. All right, let's go. Describe what ex post facto is, real quick. What is it? What is it? Cody, go ahead, man.
Yeah, it's like a study on people with pre-existing conditions.
Yeah, good job. Good job. So, study on people that have pre-existing conditions. And that's just to try to make sure that we're not being unethical in our research, right? And obviously, they have the conditions already. So, we can maybe do a study or a small experiment maybe to see how we can maybe alleviate some of the problems, or maybe we can find out current symptoms of that certain disease or sickness that they might have, to try to help them out or benefit them some way. Yeah, good job. Is there any questions on that, guys? Good. All right, sweet. Now we're gonna go over the quiz. Okay, Alex, you wanna go over Mr. Gehring's?
Yeah, is it just in the classwork page then?
Yeah.
Mine's still loading, so I don't know. My iPad's been really slow today.
What's up? No.
Is yours loading?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
What? Doing the
This isn't working for you.
It was literally just working in first period, so I don't know.
So I'm saying the Wi-Fi is going in and out, but doesn't work now.
It's like
really slow since Friday.
Really?
Is there, can I take it on paper? I don't know if you have a
I don't
paper
have
copy.
You have a hotspot on your phone?
I could try and set it up. Last time I tried to use the hotspot with
Oh, go on.
no, last time I tried to use the hotspot. and it was-
Full started, I guess. Okay.
So close, I'm so close.
Soon, we gotta get the form up.
Okay.
It'll replace. Now.
Okay, good.
Okay. Well, good luck.
Alright, so that's everything then? I should be able to.
I think it'll take a little bit.
Alright, but I have it pulled up, so I should be able to be good to take it.
Yeah, I think so. I hope so.
Alright, so I'm good then?
Yep, and the force be with you.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Let's go over this quiz. Here we go. All right, so I'll say the definition and you guys say the term. Sound good? We'll start up here with Brewster, my man. The knew-it-all-along effect. After an event has occurred, seeing the event as being predictable, despite having been little or no objective basis of predicting it. Yeah, hindsight bias, right? Yeah, good job. So with these gamblers out here, these bettors, right? Yeah. I knew it all along, man. It's gonna win you money.
You.
What's that?
You was
No, not me at all.
You said you've been doing pretty good.
I don't know what you're talking about. Dude. Maybe Mr. Up, not me. Okay. Knew it all along effect. Any questions on that one? We good with it? Okay. An experiment where both the subject and the person administering the experiment do not know the nature of the independent variable being administered. Ooh, it's like it's your short answer, right? Yeah, part of it anyway. What do we have here? Nina, go ahead.
Double blind study.
Yeah, double blind study. Good job. Double blind study. Man, can you imagine if the experimenter was blind? And experimentees were blind? What? What do you do? Research in which we choose subjects based on pre-existing conditions. Lily. Yeah, ex post facto. Yep, good job. The group that is not exposed to the treatment. Forney. Control group. Good job. The group in the experiment that is exposed to the treatment. Alex. Experimental group. Good job. Cody, you follow along?
Yeah, I was trying to find.
You texting someone? Yeah.
Well, yeah, because I had to use my phone because my classroom won't load mine.
Oh, I want to load on your iPad. Darn it. Is it going now? Slowly but surely? Getting there? Okay.
Well, mine up.
What's that?
Mine up.
Not yet. Soon. Just preparing you. A sample obtained in such a way that it reflects the distribution of important variables in a larger population. Uh-oh.
My iPad just totally disconnected from the Wi-Fi and won't let me do it again.
It won't let you open the form again.
And like I tried turning off Wi-Fi and turning it back on again, and it's.
All right.
I can try again and see if it'll load again.
Okay. Well, we're going over the quiz right now. Do you mind just staying over there
I was
until?
about to ask, do you want me just to stay over there
Yeah.
and see if I can get it to work again?
Yeah. And if not, if you get to work, to stay over there. And once I'm done with this, I'll come and grab you.
All right,
Sound
thank
good?
you.
Yep. Thank you. I see what she's trying to do.
Is there a
What
way
the-
we can like look at our response very fast?
Yeah, send you an email. You guys get the email
Like
back?
just now?
Send it at the end of last period. All right, where are we at? Sample obtained in such a way that it reflects the distribution of important variables in a larger population. Lily, what do you got?
What did you say? Representing sample?
Yeah, there you go. Representative sample. Yeah. Champ was taking a day off here, I guess. The measured outcome of a study or the response of the subjects in the study. What do we got here, Rebecca? Dependent variable. Yep, good job. A stimulus condition that the experimenter changes independently of all other carefully controlled conditions in the experiment. Megan? Oh, what gave it away?
The answer.
Yeah, it says independent in it. Okay, yeah. One group or subject is studied for an extended period of time to observe changes in the long term. TC? Long term? What kind of study it is? Yeah, longitudinal study. Yep, good job. One group or subject is studied for an extended period. Sorry, I did that one. Is an explanation based on integrated principles that organize observations and predicts behaviors or events. Gracie. Theory. Good. A statement predicting the outcome of a scientific study or describing the relationship among variables in a study. Cody?
Hypothesis.
You got it. Good. Good job. Did it come up for you then?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You got your responses back, right? Yeah. Okay. Term described as a variable that has an unwanted influence on the outcome of an experiment. Nina. Term described as a variable that has an unwanted influence on the outcome of an experiment. So we just started the multiple choice. Confounding variable. Good. State in terms of how the concepts are to be measured and what procedures are being employed to produce them. Sarah? Yeah, good job. Technique, where a psychologist tries to expose someone or something that is being observed with one stimulus that influences a response. Kinsley? What's up? Priming, yep. Good job. Type of cognitive bias in which our overall impression of a person influences how we feel and think about his or her character. Maria? Halo effect. Yep, good job. All right, short answer. What is the difference between a double-blind study and a single-blind study? So double-blind study is what, Rooster?
Double-blind study is when both the subject and the examiner.
You got it. Good job. So the experimenter and the people that are being experimented on have no idea who is receiving the independent variable. Good. Good job. Or the treatment, whatever you wanted to say. Good. All right. And then single blind study. Forney? Yeah, good job. So the experimenter knows who is receiving the independent variable, but the experimentees do not. Good. And that's try to eliminate bias, right? Try to eliminate that placebo effect, even though it happens sometimes. Describe what a longitudinal study is. Also describe what a cross-sectional study and cohort sequential study is. Elaborate on the pros and cons of each kind of study. So you had to really answer this in detail. Longitudinal study, what do you got here, Alex?
Just one group or subject, so you can see a period of time to observe the change.
Yeah, good job. So long term, okay, you're watching someone's development over their lifespan, okay. And what are some pros of that? A longitudinal study? Yeah, good job. So you're examining only one subject, right? One person over that lifespan, so you can detail on their individual experiences and their personality, their characteristics. Good. Good job. So you're not going to get like a confounding variable of someone else and their influences or experiences. Good. All right, what about a cross-sectional study? Lily?
It's a study where all people are observed and studied at one time.
Yeah, good job. So there's different subjects, right? Okay, so different subjects, you're observing them at one moment in time, and you're writing down their observations based off of that. So what are some pros of that, Lily?
A pro of the study is that the numerous people offer proper representation of all people. The con is that like, the time and context of the study could be a confounding variable and affect the observation of the effects of the
Yeah, awesome. Good job. So timing, we can say, is a pro and a con, right? So you're not spending all that time and the resources in order to try to observe that one person over the lifespan, okay, over their development. And another pro you can say is that you're gathering the information very quick, okay, very quick, and you're seeing different perspectives, different personalities, characteristics, experiences from multiple people rather than just one person. And you can say that's a con in a way too, right? You can say that if you're just going to study one person's development, it's obviously going to be a little bit different comparing all these different subjects. Okay, good. All right, and cohort sequential, very similar to that, but you're going to study them over for like a short development stages. So you might study one person, one subject from ages 2 to 4. Okay, you might study a different subject from ages 4 to 8. Okay, you might study another subject from, I don't know, let's say 9 to 15. Okay, so obviously pros of that is that it's not as long as a longitudinal study. You're not spending as much time and resources on that. Okay, some pros of it is that you're gaining more experiences, you're gaining more characteristics, personalities from different subjects, and that could be a con as well because you're not examining them over their long term, over the long period of time, and you're gathering data from different people throughout their developmental stages. That makes sense, guys? We good? All right, cool, cool. And that is it for that. Okay, it's frozen. Good, you can't see it. All right. Let's see if Alex is done quick. I'll be right back. We'll go to the project presentations a while. Decide which experiment you would like to do. You want to share with the rest of the class, boys? Huh? Oh, that's funny. All right, so let's go with the experiment project presentation so we're all on the same page here. Oh, nice. Word is welcoming back. How cool is that? All right, so the research, you're going to do research on one of the experiments listed below. There's a lot of them here. Everyone except for the Stanford Prison Study. Okay, I will do that one. I will do that one. All right, so the topic of research. Okay, so what is the topic of it? So if you're comparing, I don't know, you're going to see the power struggle amongst prisoners and different types of guards in a prison. That's Stanford Prison Study, so you can't do that. All right, so if you want to do that, power struggle, fine. That's the topic of it. Okay, hypothesis. So what is the hypothesis of the study? So most of the time, the hypothesis is a if-then statement, right? Okay, not all the time, but for the most part. Method of research, you're going to label an independent variable, so something that's manipulated or changed within the study. Dependent variable, so the effect, right? You're going to see the measurable outcome. Operational definition, obviously, for both the IB and the DV, so the information that is used in order to study, okay, a little bit more in detail. Data collected, all right, so what is the results of this information? How do they collect their data? Okay, qualitative, is it quantitative, so on and so forth. Analysis, results. Okay, was it proven to be a good experiment? Why or why not? Okay, also throw in ethics in there. So some of these experiments might not be ethical. Oh, man. Okay, some of them obviously are. So describe, if it was an ethical experiment, if anybody was harmed in the making or performing of this experiment. All right. Again, if you want to look up one, too, that's not on that list, that's fine, too. Whatever you want to do. If something that's not on it that you think is very interesting, I'll accept it. Just let me know, obviously, what it is. And then conclusions. So why was it important to the field of study, okay, in psychology? Maybe throw in some validity, right? Maybe show that, okay, how it was very significant or important, all right, of that study. You guys good with that? All right, so let's roll through it. Who wants what? Megan, first one here.
Can I do the invisible gorilla experiment?
The invisible gorilla. Is that what you want? Okay, sounds good to me. Cody, I saw your hand next.
The car crash experiment.
Car crash. Okay, sounds good. You and Wyatt. Megan, you're gonna work by yourself here. Okay, sounds good. Who else here? Am I putting you on the spot? Should we come back to it at the end of class? We can, because I want to go over the survey then. But if you guys know it right away, let me know. Lily, do you have your hand up? No? TC, do you have yours, buddy?
The monster study.
The monster study. Very fitting, right? Halloween. Okay.
The Bobo doll experiment.
The Bobo doll. That's a good one. I like that one. That's a good one. Maybe you can relate it to kids watching AEW and WWE and things like that. Oh, man. Cool stuff right there. Kinsley?
Can I have the singer experiment?
Yeah, go ahead. Cool. Cool. Anybody else for now? Because we can come back. We can come back. That's fine. Maria. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, obviously, citations, APA. Huh, almost forgot. Gracie?
And Rebecca and I do the
Yeah, that'd be cool. Good Samaritan. All right, nice. Anybody else? Anybody else? Alex? Still waiting, deciding? You finished?
Yeah, and
Awesome.
I'm pretty sure it's submitted.
I hope so.
It was a little bit slow, but it says it there.
I check, but I don't want to show everybody your grade.
You're good.
Okay, I'll wait till after class, all right? All right, we're just picking experiments now, so we can come back to it. That's fine. I posted on, what, was it Thursday? No, it was Friday, I think. No, it was this week. Yeah, it was for the test. Duh. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know. Okay, there we have it. There we have it. So let you guys decide on that. All right, real quick. I want to go over survey. Okay, survey. And then I'll let you guys create your own. Well, you'll do mine, and then I'll let you create your own. Cool stuff. All right, everybody knows what a survey is, I'm sure. But in case you don't, let's go over it real quick. I'll give an example of one that I had made, and you can make your own on Google Forms. Usually I let you do it on pen and paper, but you know, with technology, it's a little bit easier. It just makes it easier to analyze the data afterwards. It creates graphs for you and shows your data and represents it in a good way. So I'll show you that. So a survey is a research technique using self-reported attitudes or behaviors of a specific group. Okay, so a representative sample, right? Okay, so if I wanted to collect the data from the high school here, we all know what a representative sample is. This classroom, okay, students here at Upper Dauphin Area High School, good representative data, representative sample would be everyone in this classroom. Right, Cody? Representative sample. Yeah, everybody in this classroom. Okay.
Representing the student body.
You got it. You got it. Awesome. Awesome. So to collect this data fast, efficient, quickly, okay, you'll create a survey, right? And I like to use Google Forms because it already gathers the information for you. If you do it on pen and paper, obviously it's going to take a little bit more time to collect that information. All right. Another way of collecting information quicker and faster is just already pre-designing questions and answers for the people you're performing the survey on. Okay, it's like multiple choice, right? There's only a selection that they can choose from to answer it from. Okay, if you do short answer, obviously you're going to have to read through all those short answers and decide, all right, the proper information. Also, in some cases, you might have bias within your surveys. Okay, so if you're going to try to perform a survey on good acts and good techniques, moral values. Rooster, are you going to show yourself on the survey to be a good person? Yeah, of course. Are you a good person all the time? Yeah, okay. I hate the interviews. They're just like, oh, have you ever drank alcohol before? Nope, never. Never in my life. You guys better not have. But in every interview, it seems like they always ask that. It's like, I'm 21. Of course I did. Why not? What? Come on now. Come on now. So, in some ways, in surveys, it's like to show that my appearance to the people, I'm like, nope, never did in my life. Nope. Or like in the doctor's office, they always ask you if you have any history with drinking or smoking, things like that, chewing tobacco. It's like, oh, no one ever did that, ever, ever. Nope, never happened. So in some cases, a survey might be a little bit misleading depending on who you're surveying, right? Yeah, yeah. So we all maybe have fell into that trap before. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Okay, so does everybody understand what a survey is? I think we're good. All right, go to Google Classroom real quick. If you can, hopefully it loads up for you. I don't know why my laptop's working perfectly fine. Oh, don't look, don't look. Oh, gee, it's crazy. There's too many things going on at once. All right, Thursday, 10/8. Okay, here's a link to the survey. Click on that. I'll just pull it up because I already have it. All right, so my survey was on, let's say we have this merger with Millersburg. Okay, what colors would you like to possibly have for the new school district? So look, I have multiple choice. So that means you can't really go around it. There's no short answer. You know, if you want pink and purple, and green, and whatever you might want to have. For this design survey, I have multiple choice. So I'm priming you. Ooh, yeah, we're using a term, priming you to select one of these answers. Okay. So orange, maroon, and white. That'd be neat. Black, maroon, and white. Orange, gold, and white. Black, gold, and white. Why would we want to be Halifax? I don't know. Some people like it. Mascot. What do you like to choose for the possible new school district? Trojans, baby. We're going to keep it. Indians. Probably doesn't sound great anymore. Warriors, rebels, outlaws. Ooh, the outlaws be cool. That'd be neat. What name would you like the possible new school district to be? Upper Dauphin Area School District. That makes sense because there's a Central Dauphin, right? There's a Lower Dauphin. Why would we be Northern? Why would we try to, I don't know, whatever. Okay, what colors would you like for the possible new school district? Now I have short answer. Okay, now it's going to take a little bit more time for me to go through the data and actually kind of graph and sort through it, okay, and see what the possible outcome might be. So you see the difference between having short answer and multiple choice? Yeah, I think we all know that. Mascot, you name it. I just asked the same questions in short answer. So it's up to you. It's your opinion, whatever you would want. If you wanted blue, white, and gray or something cool like that, you can put that down. And if you want a mascot like a, I don't know, a motorcycle rider or something cool, right, Alex? You can put that down. All right. There you go. There you go. So do the survey, submit that, and then your assignment for today, for tomorrow, have it done for tomorrow, is create your own survey. All right, create your own survey. And I'll show you real quick how to do that. Oh, look at this. I'm already getting responses, which is great. See how this is summarizing the data, though, already. That's really nice. So then you don't have to go back through it with pen and paper and draw your own graphs or draw your own histograms, whatever you want to do. Okay, it has a circle chart right here for you and represents the data pretty well with the responses. That's why I like using Google Forms. Okay, it grabs the data and throws it all in there, nice and easy for you to do. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. There you go. So you open up Google. There it is. You go to the bar here. You have to be signed into your email, okay? And I think you have forms. If not, then I don't know. It's gonna be tough. But you hit the bars right here by your account. Okay. You go down to forms. You click on it. Don't look too close because I have all my tests here. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, let's see here. Let's do just a blank one. All right, so Untitled Form. Obviously, fill out your survey name, whatever you want it. Maybe you want to do pro sports teams, right, TC? See who's everybody's favorite team. So then you got to list through all the sports teams, which is okay, not a big deal. Or you want to do division, okay, which is your favorite division in sports, whatever you want to do, okay. Or maybe it's ice cream flavor. Maybe it's pizza around here. You want to do JoJo's, Schiano's, Pizza Delight, right? Yeah. You go through it and you choose what pizza you like, whatever you want to do, guys, okay, whatever survey you want to do. So then with that, you hit Untitled Questions, you type it in, blah, blah, blah. You go through your answers, option 1, blah, 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 add another one, same thing, blah, blah. Then you hit Required. I always do that so you can't just skip right through it. It won't let you complete the form until you actually make it required for the students to do, or whoever you're conducting the survey for. Then when you want to try to put in another questions, you hit Add right there, real simple. If you want to do multiple choice, that's cool. Or if you want to do check boxes, that's pretty neat, check boxes. Or if you want to do short answer, there you go, there you have it. All right, does everybody know how to do this? Pretty simple. Let's make a theme. Yeah, let's make a theme here. Illustrations. Let's go to, oh, look at that, rad dad with the mustache. Let's do that one. I like this one a lot. I should grow one out, right? I like that. What do you think? No?
Like
Yeah? Just the curls there? That'd be cool.
Like Paul.
Yeah, Mr. Tallhelm does that. Yeah. There you have it, guys. That's how you create your own survey. I can't wait to read all through yours. It's going to be cool. And look at that. More data coming in. It already sorts it right in. That's nice. So then you don't have to go through it yourself and do it. Who would want to do that? Right, Rooster? No way, no how, man.
Actually happen if we did merge, so we have to change all that.
I have no idea. I have no idea. Probably some sort of decision making on it. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. So create your own survey. Can't wait to see it. Make sure you do mine too. I think it's neat.